happening? Welcome back to the Northern Performance Cars YouTube channel. I know what you guys are thinking first off. Why doesn't Kenny have a Northern Performance Cars polo on? Well, I'll tell you a little something about Kenny. When Kenny's not at work, Kenny's living it up, and Kenny wears what Kenny feels good in. Kenny feels good in Waffle House, so Kenny has a, Waffle House shirt on. So anyways, started off, that's where we're at. Just got the PRI. Dick and I are going to cruise around. We're looking for a Steak and Shake. If anyone knows of any Steak and Shakes that are open inside, we're out of seasoning and we can't have that. I've been trying to buy seasoning on Amazon, on eBay. I'll take a used set, even if it's got COVID. Send some, Steak and Shake seasonings my way. I don't care if it's open, if it's closed. If your grandma had it in her cabinet, send it over. I'll take it. PayPal ready. Super special. Really special treatment. That's because I look cool. She's like, he's got a Waffle House shirt on. He's poor as hell. He needs these Steak and Shake seasons then. There's no telling what he's going to do. That's true. No, we have too. We've been looking high and low for like a whole year. And everywhere either is out or like a friend of mine went through a drive-through, actually not far from here, like an hour away. And they're like, no, we can't sell it.
I have 14 left. You can't buy them anymore.
10?
You want 10 of them?
Yeah, I'll take 14 if I can have them.
I mean, you can have them because you can't buy them anymore.
That's what I was like. I've been trying to buy them on Amazon. I've been looking on eBay. I've been calling friends in Florida like, hey, can you get me something?
You have to get a bag.
You can just have a box.
I'll take a box. Hopefully no one bugs me though. That's important. That's like gold right now. You understand what's going to happen sending me out there in public with those?
I will try one more time. I'm going to try to order another case, but I haven't been able to find it on even on our website.
That's crazy, isn't it? Like,
once they shut these dining rooms down, it disappears.
that's what I'm saying. Like, what's going on,
You
man?
have a chocolate shake? It's some. Oh. Nick took it. Nick!
It was over there.
Alright, it's gonna be $37.30.
Yes. You guys made my day.
I'm glad we could do it.
Yeah. Last time PRI came by. Oh, there it is. Sorry
Yeah, you
about
guys
that.
weren't here last year.
No, the year before we came in here and there was this one lady. She was super crazy, but we had a good time.
She have a whole bunch of tattoos.
Yeah.
Yes.
She was awesome. We were like, damn, she's wild.
Yes. She made the store a ton of money.
Did she? She was funny, but she was
That
wild.
reminds me of something. I got a phone call yesterday. Someone wanted to order like 4 7x10s. I was like, we can do.
Oh, I would have figured out a way to run them up for him.
I was like, what we can do is sell you triples and singles.
I wouldn't even have told him. I'd have just run them up.
As you guys previously seen, we secured the package at Steak and Shake, and then we discovered the note on our Fruity Pebbles Crispy Treats that my girlfriend Chelsea left. Don't be pigs and share. What she means by that is, Kenny, you're a fat piece of and don't eat all 24 pieces of these. Because she knows I have a kid. So I'm just gonna sneak off to the room and I'll only eat 5 or 10.
She'd be yelling at you about spoiling your dinner.
Kenneth! She's really a mean old lady. She makes me watch my calories and stuff, and it's really rough.
I don't know.
I'm like a lion in the jungle.
I've seen you do the 2 for 2 by yourself with an appetizer.
That's right. So what we have here is a Rice Krispie treat, except for Fruity Pebbles, because Fruity Pebbles are far superior. And as you can see, the colorful layers of greatness with marshmallows. And here is this is a quick secret. I've never shared this with anyone before. But we messed up one day and we dropped full marshmallows in here, right? And then I ate them anyway, so I'm like, no. Ended up being amazing. So now I trained my girlfriend to where she places individual marshmallows inside of the crispy treats. And what that does is it's like a maze for me. It's like a game, it's like a challenge. As I'm, mowing down this thing in circles, I go, oh, marshmallow, whole one. And then I continue my path of eating 5 more, so that's good.
Get him!
All right, we're gonna do the unthinkable. Dick's gonna jump me, and I'm gonna get bum juice on me on this step. Well, hopefully, don't go for my nuts. Go for my belly. I can lose some weight there.